Hello followers, this is the last part of the Boeing 747 flying tutorials. So in today's video I will discuss the after landing and securing the aircraft. Let's get started. After clearing the runway, landing and strobe lights go off, taxi light on, flaps up, speed brake down, transponder standby, auto brakes off, flight directors off. I start the APU. Prior I start turning to the gate, I turn off the taxi light. Now the aircraft is stationary. I set the parking brake. I got the APU running memo, as you can see here. On my overhead panel, the two APU generator switches showing available. Now I select them on. The fuel control switches are turned off. No smoking and seatbelt selectors go off. Hydraulic selectors set to off. All the fuel switches go off. IRS selectors are turned off. Beacon light off. Window heat and NAI selectors are switched to off. Yaw damper switches go off. Aft cargo heat off. Packs off. Emergency lights off. APU generators disconnected. APU stop. Standby power off. Finally, the battery is turned off. And this completes the Boeing 747 after landing and securing tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.